There's one of Red Seal's workers out there with a gas can, pouring gasoline into the pumps near our homes. It's snowing out, but we have to listen to the pumps running. The Cook County Board and Metropolitan Water Reclamation District are the regulatory agencies. What are they doing to protect those of us who have these fumes wafting towards our homes and have pumps going off anywhere after 7 o'clock in the morning? Today, March 13th, 2018, the pumps started at 7:20 a.m. There's another one getting more gas. We wouldn't want them to run out of gas. Or whatever fuel it is they're using. We assume it's gasoline. But we can smell the fumes by our homes. And we've lost the enjoyment of our balconies and patios. We practically have to put on earmuffs to be able to go outside. Well, now we're filling up another one. So, what's the story with the flow of the pond? That this is the end of Red Seal's pond system in this newly created overflow behind our homes, which used to be a beautiful golf course. That's what we purchased, and this is what we're looking at now. Even in the snow, who wants to look at it? It once was a beautiful, natural view. Look at all those hoses. Now we're hearing rumors that this may go on for 2 or 3 more years until construction is, quote, completed, unquote.